Introducing the Chattanooga Intellect Mobile Laser, a Class 3B low-level laser therapy unit designed for precision and flexibility. This innovative device supports both continuous and pulsed operations, allowing you to tailor treatments with confidence. Its sleek design offers true versatility, whether mounted on a cart, used tabletop, or taken on the move without needing a wall socket. At the heart of the Intellect Mobile Laser is a lightweight console with a user-friendly interface, giving clinicians full control over laser parameters. With preset parameters for quick setups and a real-time feedback system ensuring accurate dosage, your treatment process becomes efficient and hassle-free. Designed with clinicians in mind, the ergonomic applicator enhances comfort and allows uniform light delivery. Customize your approach with user protocols and easily adapt them to suit each patient's needs. Take your laser therapy treatments to the next level anytime, anywhere with the Intellect Mobile Laser. Reach out to learn more or see it in action.